Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to change different backgrounds in a picture. So without any further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Make a duplicate of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. From the toolbar, select Object Selection tool and click on Select Subject over here. Once the selection is made, click on the Select and Mask. As you do that, a new dialog box opens up. Here, with the Refine Brush tool, paint on the areas which are left while selecting. Now, click on the Refine mode to Object Aware and check the Decontaminate Colors option in Output Settings. Hit OK. Now, from the Adjustment layer, choose Solid Color. Change the color as per your requirement. Hit OK and you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.